Hello everyone. Good morning. How are we all doing today? As usual, I'm not fully set up for stream, but just give me a minute to open chat and we should be good. So I decided to do more programming instead of Minecraft today because I felt like there wasn't much left to do in the current version of Minecraft that we're on, and to update already would violate the rules I set in place on myself for how frequently I'm allowed to update. So I have to wait till tomorrow to update to the next version of Minecraft. So for now, we've just got this. More programming, because that's something I need to do. Other than that, there's nothing else I've been up to. You pretty much saw... I didn't do anything after stream yesterday. Did I? No, I didn't do anything after stream. Oh, for fuck's sake. Music, keep going. Beep, 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 good, good. Okay, and get chat. There we go. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. So first things first, we will just continue following down the list of functions that I defined last time. And hopefully, by like midday, we should have a functional game. Well, a second functional game, because we already had functional blackjack, and I believe you guys need to see my face. Hello. Well, no, you don't need to see my face, but you need to see the movement of my face. Yep. There we go. Now let's go. And today I will try my best to not dox myself. Right then, the next thing we needed to do was what was this one? Ish. Number 10? Wait, what is number 10? Just take from one of the stacks. I think, yeah. because it creates a new deck. From the cards of the one that you're already holding, of the one selected, of the one at the same position as the current UI selection. Okay. And in case 11 and 12 are to take one and then take, yeah, okay. So I actually find that temp hand is the entire thing, because you would expect temp hand to, currently what it stores when you select you want to take from a certain stack, you either take, when you press this button, it's now stored this entire thing in a temporary variable, including the ones that you wouldn't want to pick up. So we need to go to no, for case 11. So the first thing you need to do is temp hand. You need to go drawn card equals temp hand dot draw top card, and then player hand dot place card at top, drawn card, and that's all it is for the single card, I think. So I'd take that, take one. That's the, oh shit, we need to clear the old one. But hang on, if I do something like this, okay. Okay, we also, when you take from a solid test stack, we need to store a variable. Now, as per the diagram, we need to store a variable saying which stack number it came from originally. I don't remember where it's stored, and I don't, like I said, I'm avoiding doxing myself today, so I'm going to put you on a different screen while I find the file. There we go. Whoa! Okay. We need to define an undo place. I guess undo place would be integer. Where is stacks defined? text. Okay, it's a vector of text, and it does have the stand. Okay, good. That makes it easier. That means we can just go. That is in the put back position is. Basically, we just need an integer to say which one of these it will get put back to if you press the put back button. Just to have it as a default value. Collapse that. What if I can just do something like that? That actually makes it significantly easier to read what's going on. Okay, undo place equals current UI.getSelection value. Now we don't need to copy it to a temporary variable because we can just, if we know which one it came from originally with the undo place variable, we could just draw directly from that hand actually. So I comment this out, I go and then go we stacks undo place dot draw top card, right? On it. Arrow draw dot card. If I take this 2, right, no, there is no take all. If I take 1, there we go. And there's no put back button. Cool. That works as expected. I should say it doesn't work, but it doesn't work in the way that we expect. That means we need to define... What happens if you want to take all of them? We're going to need to iterate. What have I done wrong? What are you complaining about? New place start. Get cards dot size. I++. There we go. Okay, it was just getting mad at me not finishing my statements, of course. That makes perfect sense. That's what all the things do. Undo place. No, we need to check. So if stacks undo place get cards I equals no dot get face equals true, then we let it take a card. Wait, no, we don't need to get an I, you need to get that size -1, because we just need it to check if the one at the back is acceptable. Right, yeah, there's no way to put the card down. What number is it to place a card? Place on stack is 14, okay. Let's just define that quickly just so I can test something. It is... Where do we define? Ah, there it is. Stacks. Get cards. So that stack. We need to place card at top. And you probably I need to define this. Otherwise it will change while it's trying to iterate and that will mess it up. Equal cards equals that. Cards, and then we want to define takeable cards here as well. I++. Okay. And then indent, scribble. There, that way it should add. If we draw one, we take. Can we put this 5 anywhere? Nowhere correct, but we can put it anywhere we want. Why did that go in the wrong place? Shit. Why did it go to the wrong place? That's not right. So it's like there, we draw, we take one. Should go here. Why did it go to the first one? If I just put it all the way over at the end here, it goes always offset by 1. And put back doesn't work. See, this now means I can test this. Does taking all work? It does. And then if I were to do this, it should preserve the order. Okay, cool. So it flips them when they're in your hand, but then it flips them back when you place them. Nice, that works. Good, good, good. Yep. Oh. Why is it off by 1 though? Oh, right. No, because stacks. So because stacks 0, for example, when we would first place here, this would try to put it at stack 0, which as we know is the deck. So this just needs to be +1, and then put back didn't do anything because that has a different function ID, so it wasn't registering to do this thing. That makes sense. If I draw one, no, we can't take a 7. Can we take a 4? No. 6, yes, we can take that, and we can put it here. Can any of this stuff be moved around? No, it can't. 8, draw more. 9, no. Oh, hang on, I'm being blind. There's already something we can do. Let's take that one and put it here. Okay, so we need to make the card flip over once its thing is put in the new place. Shit, no, I pressed the wrong button. Might just add an undo button for the draw, because that kind of is an easy mistake to make and I want it to be undoable. I mean, I know that a usual computer solitaire has a full undo stack, but that is a fucking hassle. That would be so much of a hassle to make that I am not doing it. But this is one thing that makes sense to be undoable, so I will add it, I think, later down the line. So just undo draw at 16, there we go. so that's the placing. We don't need... Okay, cool. That's there for later. Now I need to define function 12. Function 13. I can count. Shut up, you can't count. Case 13 is... undo. Okay, so that's the put back button. Okay, break. Oh, sorry. So the first thing you need is to go... Wait, hang on. Zero I is less than... Okay, need to define thing. We need to define takeable cards equals player hand dot get cards dot size. Then while I is less than that, we count up, and actually it's the same logic as this, but it just puts it back in exactly the same place it came from. So we change this to not selection val, it just needs to be undo place. It should be that simple. So I would like to take this queen, for example. Oh shit, there's nowhere I can put that. Let's put it back. Except there is always a place you can put that, because it can just go like here because our logic's broken. That means I can now test if two at the same time work. Let's take all and put them back. Cool. And take one and then put it back. Cool. It works. And now we need to add the logic so that this can't. So you can't just put anything anywhere. Shit! I forgot to test if you can put back on the drawn card pile. That shouldn't work, I don't think, with the current logic. So if we take one from here, it should go to the deck instead. Yeah, but then it gets taken out. Okay, that's busted. Well, that's okay, we can just go if undo place is greater than 0, we do this logic. Else, it just goes to and then we go, what's it called? It's called drawn deck, right? Drawn deck dot place card at top, drawn card. Yep, cool. That should work. There's like, I draw the deck, I take one, and go, oh shit, now I can put this. Oh damn, there's somewhere I can put this. Then I take this next one, and and go, oh no, that actually isn't anywhere, I can just put it back. Boom. I can draw more. I take this ace and put it here, we should then see it filter down to the 4. And what happens if I just use the place button to try and place something on an empty... Okay, that shouldn't work. That won't work in the next version. Oh god, eye's gone funky. Okay, nowhere to put a king, nowhere to put an ace. Nowhere to put a 5, nowhere to put a 3. All that 3. All that 10. Actually, we should add to the turnover 3 cards. If there's 3 deck.get cards .size. There we go. Now it will only take up to 3. Meaning it won't crash, meaning it won't freak out if there's less than 3 left to take. However, we need to make it so they get put back. Equal card equals there we go. Okay, and then if else, so else, that means there's 0 cards left in the standard deck. You go takeable cards equals drawn deck dot get cards dot size int I, I've got to take brackets for int I equals 0. I is less than takeable cards plus. We want to then take all of those cards and put them in the bottom of the deck. So drawn card equals drawn deck dot draw top card dot set face false, because you want them to be turned back over. And deck dot place card at top, drawn card. Now that should theoretically work. Yeah? We draw. Then if we keep drawing, it should go background. It doesn't place them back at the same place. So we go, at the end of this, we go wait, what's the command? Reverse cards. Stack, I assume. 1 1 is it? I'm just What do you mean build it? Oh, I forgot a semicolon. Okay, and then do this, and then it's a 6. Remember, it's 6-4 ace, the first set that comes out. Yep, cool, it remembers that. And let's just say we take this and place it there. Now it should go king 4 ace the next time we go through the whole thing, and it works. Yes, woohoo! Take that and put it here. Cool. Now, however, it's only been half an hour. Yeah, like 40 minutes. Cool. Making good progress today. Don't remember why I thought temp hand would be needed. Okay, now we need to define all the logic for putting a card back. Putting the cards back, okay. Okay, so if drawn card dot get value equals k, we start with the king, then we go if the card to be placed is a king. If so if value dot get cards dot size equals 0, that's when we allow it to be placed, because you can only put a king on an empty stack. Then we break. And then at the end of this, after that, it'll go, okay, cool, everything's fine. And then so obviously once you place the cards, the one from the previous stack it was on gets flipped over. So if undo place greater than 0, because we don't want it to do it to the deck as well. If undo place is greater than 0 and stacks undo place dot get cards dot size is greater than 0, in case you've taken to make a blank space and just left it like that, and this will just cause it to not crash when you try to do something. It goes to this way, it'll... Okay, cool. We now need to test that if this king thing works. Wait, why does it just delete your card? There's no reason for it to delete your card. Is there? Oh no, it is, because it puts it into the drawn card variable, then just... I wanted to take this and then just delete that, and it turns over the next one. Cool. What we're really looking for is a king, so I can just poof that, take this one, and then place it here, and it works. Cool. And did we have a function to get the numerical value of a... I know we have a map to get. Okay, yeah. Cool, we can simplify this logic for the next bit. Else if values drawn card dot get value is less than equals the other thing -1 equals values that should be correct. Hang on. Oh right, this isn't actually a value. Dot. There we go, and that is not throwing an error, so theoretically it must be correct. Then we need to check if drawn card dot get color is not equal to this one dot get color. And the colors don't match, and then I guess this doesn't matter. It just needs to be one less and the opposite color. Then we. But no, we don't want to break there because we want to keep running down the rest of them. Now we just need to find a valid move to test. Or we test an invalid move first. So let's just try to do this. No, that's not correct. Okay, good. That's a good crash. Now we'll only... Oh shit, that should be a double equals. Damn, I am stupid. No, what the fuck did I just press? Don't do that, whatever I just clicked, don't do it. Are you still open? You shouldn't be open. Okay, run this again. So if I take this 4, theoretically I shouldn't be able to... Okay, just deleted it. Maybe we don't draw the card there, we only draw it once we know it's going to be put somewhere, so... If... Maybe player hand dot get cards... dot size minus I. No, we draw the card at the very start, then we know what we're comparing and it's easy to type. And this becomes an else if here. Right, there's an extra set of braces there. Actually, before we check, we need to make sure it's a card that's I guess this should also check if so now if so for any of these cases, player and dot place card at top, drawn card. So if any of these 4 conditions don't apply, it will go to an else statement. That will just say, okay, call it quits, put that back in the player's hand, and then theoretically that it'll keep trying to do that one until it runs out of attempts. Do solitaire, so take you, and then if I go place here, nothing happens, and I just put back, okay. Potentially we have everything operational except shit, never mind. Wait, that just got deleted. Why did it get put there? That's not right. What? Hang on. Oh no. Oh, have I just written some logic in the wrong order? Why does put back do that? Why does put back do that? Oh dear. Let's just go be out, undo place. What is happening? Solitaire. Take. Oh shit, that's not. How did I not account for that? Okay, well don't do that, I'll fix that in a minute. HU then. Now what? Hang on, if I take from here and put back, and then I take from here and then put back. Okay, so when you take from the drawn cards, it doesn't update what undo place is. That's an issue. The fuck is that not an edge case I considered? That's not an edge case, that's a... That's like a very core case. Okay, so what we want is in pick a card from the deck in solitaire, undo place equals 0. Right at it would be okay, and then if a stack has a face up top card, we check, and then we go, hang on, I want to go. See out. And then here we go, see out, and then here we go, and I want to stop it from clearing the screen just for a second. Okay, solitaire. I draw, we take this king, and then I try to place it here. Okay, maybe trying to not clear screen was a terrible idea. Also, taking a king doesn't work because it doesn't check the same logic. So if I draw, take this ace, there we go. I go like this. It's writing a whole lot of stuff there. Shame it's not rendering long enough for us to see it. So we can get rid of this because that's a fixed issue. What if you just like add like 1,000-second or 1 second delay for us to read it in? Take that, and theoretically this should work. Okay, where does the logic go wrong? So it tries at 1, yes, that's good, and position is placeable. Okay, but why were colours not correct? Wait, is this the whole thing with not being able to compare strings? Oh, hang on, we've been using the complete wrong thing. This should not be... So that needs to be this number, not a 0. That was what it was doing, was always trying to compare against the bottom card of a stack. Which admittedly in this case shouldn't have been an issue because I was placing it at the bottom. Queen. So if I place here, it should say acceptable position, numbers match, red, red. It crashed. Why did it crash? Try it 4. Then there's some nasty logic here. Right, this needs to be size -1 because it was a vector overflow. So now we have a 2. There's just as a test, if red equals black, set console text attribute, no, text attribute, h console blue, okay, so wait, no, we want to test if they're not equal. This will see how color comparison works. So theoretically, okay, so it knows that those two things aren't equal. And I might just create a comp card variable because that's a very long thing that we're typing out. There we go, okay. Then replace this too, comp card. Oh shit, no! Values is for blackjack. Okay. So, we need to make a solitaire values as well. Extern map string int solitaire values. It's going to be the same as values. And then you just go 11, 12, 13. Sacksmith, hi! Welcome in. Oh god, how long have I missed that? No, I haven't missed it. Good, good. Hello. Welcome. How are you doing today? So... yeah, thank you for head pats. Wow. Doing alrighty? That is lovely to hear. I am doing great too, because I am getting work done, and it's mostly been going as expected today. So, just trying to figure out the logic for placing a card in solitaire. Feeling good, getting stuff done. Hell yeah. I just need to be changed to solitaire values. There we go, and no, that is not what I was meant to paste. And card.get get color. Guess we wanted to go down, down, bam, up, bam, down, bam. Why did it crash? Down, bam, up, bam, down, bam. 7. Okay. Actually a place we can put this. So we go like this, print screen. Cool, captured. Now let's see where it goes wrong. Wait, did it go wrong? It didn't go wrong. Nice. Try it for positions placeable, numbers correct, black, red, colors correct, placed. Cool. Now I can turn off the false lag, and it might actually work for alternate. Okay, I've got to close the old instance, run the new one that actually runs at full speed. Solitaire, Is there anything we can do? This 10 can go here. There we go. And then it opens up the next one. 9, take, put it here. And then we can take this jack and put it here. Then would you look at that? That whole thing I just noticed can go over here. And then if I take this king, I can put it here and the next one over. It actually works. Oh my god, it actually works. I just need to program in the sorting. And we've got a working game. Ooh. Ooh. No, be normal, Glenn. Okay, you've only been at this an hour today. You don't need to go insane yet. Okay, just taking one from here and placing it work. It does. Nice, nice, nice. I'll get rid of all of the behind the scenes stuff that it's still printing in a second. I'm just very excited that this has actually worked. See, this is what happens when I just force myself into productivity. Take that and put it here. Take that and put it here. It doesn't let you. Good, 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 good. Wait, you can't put this anywhere. Put it back. So I take all of these and I put them here. Yes. Draw the next lot. 6. Is there anywhere 6 can go? No. 3. No. 5. No. 9. 9. 4. 8. And does it still work? It does. Yes. Hehehe. Oh my god, hold on. There's somewhere that this 10 goes. Which means there was somewhere for that 3 to go, which means whatever, it works. No. No. Yes. Which means we can also then take this and put it here. And then these can go in the empty slot. Bam. And now there's a 9 there. And we know what you do with 9s. They put them on 10s. Let me take this and put it here. Ace, no. 9, no. 2, no. 10, no. Ace, no. I'm genuinely curious to see how far we can get without being able to sort the cards at all. And we're going to need a red 3 before we're able to do anything else. And that works too, good. Oh hey, speak of the devil. But now we also need a place to put a red jack because that's what's covering it up now. Means we need that red down. We can't win this one. Well, let's go. And I think because we've been going around an hour, I'm gonna go take a quick break. Back in a minute, enjoy the music. And we're back. Hello. Ooh. Yes. Wait, which screen is this one? There we go. Whoa. Oop. Shadow Realm. What we are doing next is getting rid of all of the console.logs. I mean, just the debug statements. Oh my god, I still think in JavaScript sometimes. That's fucked up. And so we now have place on stack. We need to do the sorted. Okay. Okay, time to make the button for that. I sort, there we go. It's definitely 15, right? Yep. Okay, so first thing this one would need to do is check if player hand dot get cards dot size equals 1, because obviously you can't sort if you've got like a whole load of cards, because that just wouldn't make sense. You make this would make sense as a switch statement, I guess. You draw the card, then you make a switch statement based on drawn card dot what's it called? Get house. Why is it still called house? I know the word I mean is suit. Oh shit, right. Okay, that won't work as a switch because strings. No, not drawn house, that's not a variable. Drawn card, get house, equals, yeah, what's the order they go in? Game mode. No, we don't want the AIs, we want... Oh, why are these so finicky to press? Rendering, we want solitaire setup, nope. Oh, solitaire game loop, there we go. And in the rendering, it makes 4 fake cards, first of which is diamonds, okay. Diamonds, and then if it's a diamond, we want it to go. Now if, wait, what's the hand called? Wait, do we even have the sorting stacks? Deck, okay, diamonds, clubs, heart, space, that's what they're called. If diamonds dot get cards dot size equals 0, and if drawn card dot value equals ace diamonds dot place card at top, drawn card. I mean, I guess quality of life, we could allow you to attempt to sort multiple cards at a time, but it would only be able to work if all of your cards, or if, like, say you have a load of cards in order, like an ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it won't be able to sort them. If the ace can go somewhere and the 2 and 3, it won't be able to just skip over the 2 if it doesn't apply, because that would break things. On the other hand, no, because that will be more hassle than it's worth. If solitaire values drawn card. What we're doing now is checking if the numbered value of your card is going to be one higher than the one at the top of the stack you're trying to place it on. So if the value of your card minus 1 is the value of the one you're trying to place it on, card at top, your card. Now the exact same logic applies to clubs, hearts and spades. Okay, so clubs, this is just bulk changing text. And making sure I spell things right. And then after this last else if, we go else player hand dot place card at top, current drawn card. Wait, no, that won't work there. We're going to need to add this in like here and here. Okay, we're going to need to add this else a lot of times. Now I'm getting rid of these comments because it operates exactly the same as the previous. You know, that just will be more maintainable. Then we can just do this here, here, three, t, and p, t. Now it should have all the functions of Solitaire. So I'm just going to hubristically turn it back to the last thing I remove. I always take away for convenience. So there, let's go. Okay, good, 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 good. Okay, let's play. Anything we can do immediately? Yes. Anything else? No. So we draw. Looking for a7. Nope. Draw again. 2. No. Ace. Yes. Okay, let's sort that. Where did it go? Right. We don't have the sorted ones being rendered, I don't think. And spades dot render all. Okay, now it should work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Okay, anything we can do? Yes, there's an ace that can go here. No, why did that not work? It's not, it doesn't move them. Okay. Okay, one card dot set pos. What is this, like 60? Actually, no, we can simplify this by just I'm going like diamonds dot stack at the x is, I want to say 70. Wait, I can literally check. It's right here. It's 63. 1, 7, 15, 19. Okay. Yeah, I got rid of a bracket. And then we go spades dot stack 63, 19. And this should all work. I promise this time. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Okay, anything immediate? Yes. Nine, no. 4, no. 4, no. King, no. Ace, yes. Okay, let's sort you at. Now we can sort this too. Shit, that won't flip it. Okay, right, yes. If we add that there, that will mean it automatically skips to the end of the function if we can't do it, meaning we can put whatever logic we want here, and that will only be for if any card gets sorted correctly, which is a necessary thing for us. And if any card gets sorted correctly, what we want to do is undo place. No, we want it to be stacks, undo place, dot flip specific. That logic is correct, yes. I don't need to explain that here, I can explain it in a comment on one of the things up here. Okay, now it should work. For real this time, I promise, guys. Ooh, let's go. Thanks. Okay. Anything we can do? Oh, right, wrong controls. Okay, many a thing to do here. I like it when that happens. And there's the end. Okay, so now we can start doing stuff. Why is it still printing that? No, it's not put back. We want it is place all your held cards into a stack. Remember to okay, I added acceptance logic. Oh, I left that in. Okay. And then that's an ace. So we can start sorting. Nice. Yep. That goes here, allowing us to take all of these and put them on it. Okay, nope. 5. No. King. No, we can't put a king anywhere yet. Ace. Yes. An ace. We love an ace. Eight. No. Another 8. No. No, fuck, how is it the end already? Why were there no possible new possibilities here? I guess there are, but they just aren't functional possibilities. And there's no, okay, so we need to add a way to restart the game. Yeah. Ooh. Ow. What else we were going to add now? Actually, what I should do... Oh yeah, we wanted to add an undo button to the drawing 3 cards. And we wanted to add a button to restart the game. and I guess logic to allow you to allow it to know when the game is won, which means we actually have to win a game. Sorry, I'm just pushing my changes to GitHub and I don't want to dox myself like I did last stream. Wait, this is going to take a while to write. Was there anything added other than just those functions? Actually, that is 522. We've got over 100 lines of code added just for the new functions. Commit and push. There we go. Oh, and the playlist finished. Great, now I have to think of something to listen to next. Well, we could end stream because that was an insane amount of progress we got done for 2 hours. Honestly, yeah, I think I'm gonna end here. That was a lot of work, and I'm proud of myself, and I will be back later for something. So, thank you all, as ever, for being here. Please follow if you haven't already, subscribe if you think I deserve it or happen to have some spare money that you can throw at me. Go follow me on Twitter, YouTube, Blue Sky, join the Discord server, all that cool social media stuff. I am going to raid my good friend Belgarath, so send him all the love. And I will see you later for something. I'm not sure yet. Bye. Ooh. Should probably open his stream. Yeah, see ya.